What's up, guys? Welcome back. Today we're going to be making one of my favorite cuts of beef. Good old prime tri-tip. Woohoo! I'm excited! You should be too! One of the main reasons why I love the prime cut of tri-tip and why it's such a popular choice in the barbecue world is because it just has this fantastic marbling. It really is, all you have to do is throw some rub on it, put it on the grill, and it's gonna come out amazing every time. First and only step to preparing the tri-tip, grab your favorite rub, we're using Smoke Something, because it's the best, and pour it on. We got this beautiful, beautiful rub. All right, the tri-tip is ready to go. The rub is on. The Traeger is set to 250. We're gonna throw it on, get the meat thermometers in, wait for the internal temp to get about to 125. Then we're gonna take off the tri-tip, finishing the cast iron to about 135, and go from there. That's just beautiful. While the tri-tip's on the grill, we have some onions, green peppers, and jalapenos. We're going to saute them in this cast iron with our duck fat. It's going to be great. All right, the tri-tip is ready to go. We're gonna take it off the grill, throw it in the cast iron, and sear it up. Just smells fantastic. I can't wait to dig into this thing. Wow, look at that coloring already. See, this is why you sear. You get this great crust. All right, now the one tricky thing about tri-tip is there are two grain patterns in this cut. So you want to make sure that you cut against the grain on both sides. So we're gonna start this end because, as you might be able to tell, the grain is coming across the beef this way. This looks fantastic. Maybe just make sure it's not poisonous. That's really good. Alright, now we're gonna make our tri-tip sandwich. I like to start putting the sauce on the bun first. I put it on both sides of the bun. The sauce we're using here is a harissa horseradish mix, so it'll have a nice spice but also a nice tang to it. Then I'm gonna hit it with the peppers and onions, which also have some jalapeno in there, which is gonna have a great sweetness and add to the spice. Then a couple of nice, beautiful pieces of tri-tip. Finish it with some arugula, so we have some fresh greens. Add a nice little crunch and bitterness to the sandwich. Close it up and enjoy. That is so good. That's it. That's all. We'll see you next time. I'm gonna go eat these sandwiches. Nobody bother me for the next 5 minutes. I'm eating.